Did you know that you can use ChatGPT to prepare for your certification exam? Okay, I know that. So let me show you how to do it. So I recently wrote my solution architect exam and I used ChatGPT and it was awesome. Okay, so right now on ChatGPT, so I'm on my screen on ChatGPT right now. I'm just going to change this by clicking on that plus sign. So I'm just going to click on that plus sign, then click on study and learn. So you can see study and learn. Then I'm just going to go ahead and paste my prompts. So this is the prompt I'm using right here. I'm saying that, hey, I'm preparing for my Power Platform Solution Architect exam, which I will take in 1 week. So I'm explaining that, hey, okay, this is when I'm taking the exam. And I also explained in my prompts, I talked about my experience level, that I'm already familiar with this platform and I use it in my day-to-day job as a Power Platform developer. And then I gave it a little bit of idea about my strengths, that, okay, my strength lies in data security, building solutions in Power Platform and Dynamics 365 CRM. And I went ahead to explain how I wanted the preparation to look like. Like after giving ChatGPT my background, okay, after giving ChatGPT my background, so you can provide more if you want to. So after giving ChatGPT my background, I went ahead to talk about, okay, so use the exam preparation outline. So this particular certification has a preparation outline online. It has a preparation outline that ChatGPT can easily pick. Okay. But if the certification you are preparing for does not have anything like that, you can just give it the outline of that certification, like a preparation guide for the certification. And okay, so use the preparation outline to provide me with exam flashcards and questions in exam format to respond to without options to select answers, and then progress to presenting options for answers. Okay. And if I fail to answer any question, provide the answer and an explanation. Like, okay, I failed this. I want you to give me an answer to the question and why that is the answer. Okay. Then the ones I fail at, I want ChatGPT to use it to identify my weak points and then direct me on how to learn and improve in those areas. Then this is how I want ChatGPT to start me off. I want ChatGPT to start me off with simple questions and then we can progress from there. Okay, you see, my prompt is very detailed. This is my background. This is what I want for you to do. And this is exactly how I want everything to look like. Okay, so I'm going to just click and we're going to see what ChatGPT is going to do. So ChatGPT responds with perfect, thanks for sharing your background and exam prep goals. Since you already have hands-on, we'll start with foundational exam style questions. Then as you get warmed up, I'll introduce multiple choice style. Let's begin with simple base flashcards. That tests your understanding at a conceptual level. So you can see. So this is how it's going to look like. ChatGPT is going to progress me. Like this is a question now. I need to provide an answer. There's no option, like an option set where you have to, like a multiple choice that you have to select from. So right here, I have to provide an answer. So you can definitely do so much with ChatGPT, but I just want to show you how you can use it to prepare for your certification. Or you can also use it to prepare for maybe you want to learn how to code or anything you want to learn. You can use it to study. So thank you. Bye.